You might have seen this line of code in every Python file. Not everyone, but most of the Python files. But you wonder what actually this does and what actually it means. So it's pretty simple. Let me explain this to you. Every Python file has a dunder variable called name. So dunder means double underscore and then name. So what this does, it assigns the name of the module. So if this file runs directly, the name will become main. It's the main file that has been run. But if we import this file, this name will change into the name of the file. So it no longer be main. Instead, it will be the name of the file without .py extension. So let me show you how. I have a file named a.py, and I have printed here the name variable. And if I run this, you're seeing that I have run this using Python 3 a.py, and I get min because I have run this directly, and it becomes main module that we are running. But if I import this, then it no longer be main. Instead, it just be a name of the file without .py extension. So I have another file called b.py, which I imported a. And if I run b.py, then this main will change. You're seeing that inside a.py, name is a. It's like that simple. So if you run a file directly, the name will be main. If you import the file, it will be the name of the file without .py. If you like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this.